Hi, this is John with WTI. And this guy's here actually solved me a huge problem. So my working desk was actually having some problems and it was a sliding all over my floor and it was actually damaging my floor already. But this furniture, the pads, it's really good. Why? Because it actually prevents my desk to start sliding all over the place in my floor and it's not going to damage your floor overall. The nice silicone and well materials and well built, it's just put in each one of the corners of my desk and it just stops sliding. It's not going to hurt or make any harm to your furniture or in this case in my floor. The well built materials, it just helps everything to stop sliding. And you're just going to have this ease of mind that your floor is not going to have any problem at all. I just put it in each part of the corners of the desk and it's already good. So if you're really trying to have a non-slip part for your chairs, for your desk, or anything that it could be actually a problem for any part of your house, this is actually a great option. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.